morning, everyone. Welcome to the ReFashioned art show. Little different setup today, little different schedule all around in general. Excited to be here though. Little off schedule lately. I've been really under the weather, just to be totally transparent. I think it's like a mixture of some really bad allergies and just a little exhaustion, burnout. Too many hours looking at that computer screen lately. I swear that like constant blue light, it's just, I swear, it just like mentally zaps me. I don't know, maybe you feel the same way, but hopefully back to creating soon. So just want to jump on here. This is going to be really short and sweet. Definitely feeling those allergies today, but mornings seem to be a little bit more secure of a time for me. So jumping on here real quick, just want to share a few things, a few updates. I really like to jump on here live and get in front of you guys on a regular basis. I just feel like it really helps to personalize my feed, to personalize the product, and just helps people to put a name or a face and a voice with the product, with the name behind the product. So hopefully that's helping you here. Hopefully that's helpful. I find it helpful to watch other people speaking live. So here I am. And I apologize if I'm wiping my nose. I really just, these allergies are so bad today, just being honest. Okay, so a few things. Want to just share my giveaways over I did a new sale, new website sale. After that, just kind of like a flash sale, and that went really well. That's all over, so now we're back to normal. I'm still offering free shipping on all US orders over 100 on my website. So hope you guys will take advantage of that. Really happy to offer that, but all prices are back to normal for now. We'll be doing another giveaway soon. Haven't totally decided what that's gonna look like, but it's gonna be something fun. But still free shipping. So guys, take advantage of that. This is a great time to get a jump start on your holiday shopping. I know I'm already thinking about that and just looking out, trying to find, more or less meaningful gifts, this year more than ever. So maybe some ReFashioned art is going to find its way onto your holiday shopping list. Hopefully it will. One quick thing I want to share, because I've gotten so many comments. I've gotten so many comments about this piece. This is a painting that I did, just felt madly in love. I named it Love, L-A-U-V. I know, so savvy. And I fell madly in love with it and decided to make it my logo. And that was just over a year ago. But I've gotten so many requests for this piece, so I did decide to put it on my website. It is available in prints. This is a fine art paper print of love. But again, this is love. You can see it, my logo. But of course you can get it without the branding on it. So guys, this is love. This is a 10 by 10, but it is available canvas wrap. It is available photo paper. It is available metal, which we'll see in a moment. It is available in acrylic, and it is available in wood, which we will also see in a moment on a different piece. So guys, that is love. If you have questions about that, let me know. Of course, I've always shared I am available for video chat. If anyone wants to see something up close and personal and they want to hear about it directly from me, again, if you do want to request a video chat, just DM me and we can go from there. Any questions though, guys, please don't hesitate. Just, you can put it in the comments, or you can use that little question mark button at the bottom of your feed. So, a few things that I want to mention. Little bit of an unboxing. I don't usually do this because I'm so clunky and I'm so klutzy, but I want to share that, I want people to know that when they order something from my website, I want them to know what it's going to look like, and I just want to ensure to them that it's packaged well, it will arrive safely, it will arrive in one piece. So I've done a little pre-unboxing, and I took off the hard stuff first, so it's not so super clunky. How's it going, Andy? How are you? I've got a new bay order we're about to see. So guys, this is actually a wood piece, but this is what it looks like. It comes in a box like so. This is an 8 by 12 wood piece, and I'm super excited about this. This is available on my website, and this is Dreaming Love. I'll just show you. This is how it comes. Okay, so we've got, it's packaged secure with the cardboard. And again, guys, I'm so klutzy, and I'm sure you're all on the edge of your seat. Okay, but when you take it out, this is what it looks like. And then again, it's wrapped in plastic. There we go, upside down. And I apologize, I know it's mirrored, so it's backwards, and then it's wrapped again, just to make sure it's safe. So this is the wood. I am gonna take it out to show you. I'm so proud of this, guys. I actually really like how this print looks on the wood. Now, if you were following, I did just do a giveaway, and I did a print of this piece, Dreaming Love, and this is it on the wood. It is gorgeous, oh my goodness. So this is the side, and I want you to know, guys, I've been very open. Sustainability is a really big part of my brand and ReFashioned art. So the wood piece is one of those pieces that I stand behind. I know the production is one of the most sustainable around. This comes from a company in the Bay Area called Bay Photo. This is Russian birchwood. If you want to know more about that, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. It is so gorgeous. And again, of course, if you want a video chat, if you want to see additional photos of this, let me know. So this one here could actually be hung right here. It does come with a little wooden dowel, so that can go right in there. And it can actually be like a stand-up. It can go as a stand, like on a desk or a nightstand. I actually had one of these made for my husband's desk in his office, and he really loves it. I thought it was so fitting, but he does have it set up with a little wooden dowel as a stand. And I want to know, you guys, hey, what's up? Hey, Reed, I want to know, guys, isn't it gorgeous, Andy? I agree, I totally agree. So guys, again, this is the wood. You can get any of these prints on the wood. And again, this is the depth here, the thickness. Really, really love it. So this is the wood. That's how that comes. All right. So I'm gonna put that aside, and you know what? I wish I had the print here. I don't even have the print right here. Gonna do it again, and I will show you the differentiation between the print and the actual, or the print on fine art paper rather, and the actual wood. Now, this is the next one. This is the metal print. This is how it comes. Boxed up. It's not too big, but it's well boxed. Okay, so I just have a little bit more. Oh my gosh, guys, hang on. I am so klutzy, so that's why I'm very hesitant to get on here and do these kind of live things. All right, take it out of the box, and this is exactly how it comes. So again, it's protected with the cardboard, thin layer of plastic, which I reuse all this. Want you to know, I reuse it for many different things. If you want to know more about that, I'll tell you later. It's another conversation for another day. And then out of the plastic, this is it. Voila! Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. So I'm gonna take this out really quick, you guys. I just wanna show you what this looks like. Just want to share. Don't worry, it's not that much tape. It's not as bad as it sounds. Okay, so out of the plastic, this is it. So I apologize, my light, you can see my light, a little bit of a glare. So it's not too shiny, it's not too much of a glare, but look at how gorgeous this is. Again, this is metal. Side view. I love, love, love this. This is actually very light, guys. So I know there's a lot of people who don't like hanging heavy things on their walls, or especially if you're in a rental, we don't like hanging very heavy things on the wall. But look at how gorgeous. I'm not sure how the lighting is. I'm not sure how this is coming off on camera, but I love you. It is beautiful. Now I want to just show you these next to each other. It is a different look. It is a different style. So here we have the wood, okay? This is the wood. This is the metal. So we've obviously got a little bit more of a sheen coming off the metal. This is a little bit more muted. Okay, if you want to know more about that, guys, please don't hesitate to reach out. When you order the metal or the wood, there are various options, various style options on the website to choose from. Sometimes it can be a little confusing. So if you get on there and you're interested in one of these pieces, please don't hesitate. DM me, email me, just please, no question is too small, and some of this is like a brand new language, but these are beautiful pieces. I think they'll make amazing gifts. So I hope you will find someone on your list that could use one of these. But that's it today, guys. Just wanted to pop in here. Again, it's been a little bit since I've got on here live. Feeling a little better today, so I thought I'd just jump on here quick while I have some energy and seem to be somewhat unclogged. But yes, we've got the wood, we've got the metal, we've got our fine art paper prints, we've got love. So let me know what you think, guys. The website is shop.IamLauraMadden, and once again, I am offering free shipping on all US orders over 100 right now. So jump on that. And again, don't be a stranger. Reed, you are so sweet. Thank you. I'm glad you like that. I would love to get more of your thoughts on these different media types as well. But guys, I'm going to be back on Friday. Fingers crossed. I'm feeling well. I'm going to be back on Friday. I'm going to be showing a few more media types. I'm going to be showing the acrylic as well, which I'm madly in love with. It's so gorgeous. Also, guys, mark your calendar. I am planning on doing my happy hour live art show Friday, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Planning on it. I don't know, this past weekend I was really like down for the count. I spent most of the weekend in bed, but hopefully I continue to be feeling better this week. So mark your calendar. My outfit's picked out. I know, I got it all ready to go. So mark your calendar this Friday, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, happy hour live. I will be ready in my cocktail attire and my cocktail in hand, and I will see you then. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye-bye.